guys! So today's video is going to be pretty simple. Last month I got married and I spent a lot of time picking out exactly the makeup look I was going to do for myself for the wedding day. Spent a lot of time trying out different products that were the most long lasting and just making it a really simple, natural, and just very me look. So I thought I'd share that with anyone who wants to know exactly what I did. So I'm going to be recreating this look here, which is exactly what I wore on the day, and it lasted all night and it looked really great, and it was incredibly low maintenance as I could have ever hoped for. I ended up not checking on my makeup all night. I just did not have time and really honestly didn't even think about it, and we just got the photos back and it looked fantastic. So I'm really happy with it and I wanted to share it. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, please keep watching. Alright, so here we go. So I've done all my skincare and all that, including my sunscreen, which is why my face probably looks really greasy right now. It takes a few minutes to soak in. But I'm going to go ahead. I like to put on my foundation right after I put on my sunscreen because it just makes my face look a little more dewy. So I'm going to put on my Flesh foundation. This is in the shade Custard. So I look pretty ridiculous for a few minutes, but then I just take my little brush that I use for everything. This is my blush brush too. And I just spray a little water on it. This is just a water spritz bottle that I'm reusing. It's just tap water, and then I just blend evenly all over my face. So now I'm going to put on some blush and bronzer. So I put a little bit on my cheeks here, and then once you're done doing that, to make it look more natural, I like to put it all over my face. So I'll put a little bit on my forehead, just at the top here, make sure it's well blended in. And then I'll put a little bit on my chin and just along my jawline. Very tiny bit. I put more on the cheeks than on my forehead and chin, but just a little bit because it does make it look more natural. And then I'm going in with the orange tone, which I also use this every day. Pretty much I just don't use the pink one every day. I use the coral and bronzy shade every day. And this is Beam, which is also Glossier Cloud Paint. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on the apples of my cheeks and kind of creep it up the sides as well. Right. Okay, so there's that. Sometimes I'll use the pink as my red, the pink Glossier blush. That is not what I did for the wedding day, so I'm gonna keep true to the wedding day. What I did use was this lip and cheek tint. There's the Benetint, pretty famous cult favorite from Benefit Cosmetics. What I am gonna do before we do the cheek tint though is I realized I want to put my lip tint on because it takes a little bit to stain. This is the lip product that I did wear at my wedding. I was having a hard time finding one that was gonna leave a nice stain but wasn't gonna transfer when we kissed at the end of the ceremony, but this is what I ended up going with. This is something that I picked up in Korea. I have probably used this in a tutorial. Oh yeah, when they came out with the Etude House soda tints. I'll link that above me so you can watch that. They re-released this color in a cute little soda bottle. This is like one of my all-time favorite lip products. It is a pink tinted lip gloss that stains your lips pink. So when you wipe it away, you still have pink on your lips. Alright, so I'll let that sit and stain my lips for the rest of this. And now I'm going to put on my Benefit. I'm just going to draw a little line like that on my cheek and just blot it in. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm just going to fill in my brows and then put some gel in real quick. If you've been watching my videos before, if you watched other tutorials, my eyebrows really haven't changed a whole lot, or I guess my routine for my eyebrows. For a little over a year now, I've just been using a clear brow gel and an eyebrow pencil. That's it. The products have changed slightly just because I'm not in Korea anymore, and my favorite Innisfree products are a lot harder to get my hands on. But I still have a little bit of the Innisfree Skinny Fixer Cara. This one was bought in Korea and it's so close to running out. And then I switched over to the ColourPop Brow Boss pencil because I missed that a lot. Okay, so we're pretty much done. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara. The mascara I've been using lately is the Ilia, I believe it's pronounced, which you can get at Sephora. And then they have these all natural products. I was gonna say organic, but I actually don't know if they're organic, but they're all natural. I'm gonna curl my lashes real quick because that's what I do every day, and then just apply a little bit of this mascara. Something that I also really like about this one is that it has different bristles, I guess, little bristles on the wand. So each way you turn it, there's basically, it's like 3 or 4 wands in one, and I really, really like that. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. Yeah, I just quickly went in the bathroom, took a wet tissue, and wiped off the lip gloss, and I'm left with like a nice little natural tint, glowy, very pink look, without looking too out there and clownish. But yeah, like I mentioned before, it lasted me all night. So anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I do a lot of videos like this. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you thought, if you've gotten married or just had a big event where you had to make your makeup look great all night. Let me know, let people know down below what were your favorite products. And yeah, so like I said, please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.